Allah said, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. This book about which there is no doubt. The Quran. The sad part about it is how many of us have certainty that the only way out is the Quran. How many of us have this level of certainty? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He said, أَوَمَنْ كَانَ مَيْتًا فَأَحْيَيْنَاهُ وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُ نُورًا يَمْشِي بِهِ فِي النَّاسِ كَمَنْ مَثَلَهُ فِي الظُّلُمَاتِ لَيْسَ بِخَارِجٍ مِّنْهَا. We gave them a light to walk among the people, to walk among the men and the women of the earth. Ibn Abbas said this light is the Quran. Allah gave you that light. But do you turn it on, or are you still walking around in darkness? Ibadallah ayyuhal mu'minun. Allah Azza wa Jal, He says about this Quran, Ya ayyuhan nas, O mankind, addressing everyone here, not just the believers. Ya ayyuhan nas, O mankind, قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم وشفاء لما في الصدور وهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين. There has come to you an admonition from your Lord. موعظة from your Lord, an admonition, an advice, direction, instructions, and a cure for that which is in the heart. A cure. Allah described the Quran as a shifa. Any disease we can think of, the Quran is a cure. Disease of arrogance, the Quran is a cure. Disease of being miserly and stingy, the Quran is a cure. He said, and a cure for what is in the hearts, and a guidance and a mercy for the believers. Then Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, قُلْ بِفَضْلِ اللَّهِ وَبِرَحْمَتِهِ فَبِذَلِكَ فَلْيَفْرَحُوا هُوَ خَيْرٌ مِّمَّا يَجْمَعُونَ. Let them delight in this. The Muslims should be delighted that they have maw'idha, admonition, direction from Allah. They should be delighted with the mercy of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, because it's better than anything the people are trying to gather and amass and accumulate. Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, قُلْ بِفَضْلِ اللَّهِ. Say to them, قُلْ بِفَضْلِ اللَّهِ وَبِرَحْمَتِهِ فَبِذَلِكَ فَلْيَفْرَحُوا. Tell them to be delighted in that. Ibn al-Qayyim said, depending upon the strength of a person's faith, that will determine how delighted they really are. Allah Azza wa Jalla, He said, وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَلَا يَزِيدَ الظَّالِمِينَ إِلَّا خَسَارًا. And we revealed the Quran. It is a cure and a mercy to the believers. And as for the oppressors and the wrongdoers, it only increases them in their loss.